Hi there, my name is Jwlzi. In this video we will be making the basic leather Dopp kit. Use Adobe Reader to print a pattern, making sure to select actual size. Verify the sizing of the printout against the measuring blocks. Cut out the paper pattern pieces. Some pieces have a 1 and a 2 in the numbering, for example A1, A2. Join these pieces together with masking tape by aligning the X's. The zipper spacer should not be cut from leather or lining, but used to determine how wide the spacing for the zipper should be when you are adding the zipper to the body. The lining should also not be cut from the leather. Lay the pattern pieces, the body, the handle, the tag and the 2 zipper ends on the leather and affix to the leather with masking tape, ensuring that all edges and stitching holes are covered. Cut the leather roughly 1 cm or 0.4 inches outside the edges of the paper pattern pieces. Punch all the stitching holes. Transfer the positions of all the marks indicated by arrows from the pattern pieces to the back of the leather. Each mark occurs at least twice, some more. Cut out all the leather pieces on their outside lines. If the leather requires, burnish or paint the edges. If using a stiff leather, wet and fold the leather between the corners. Add the zipper to the long edges of the body, ensuring that the 1 and 2 marks are aligned and that the 3 and 4 marks are also aligned on the other side. The open end of the zipper should be on the side of the 1 and 2 marks. Use the zipper spacer to make sure that the zipper spacing is exactly 12 mm. Fold the zipper ends over the ends of the zipper and secure with 2 small rivets. Fold the top of the body at the side of the closed end of the zipper under the bottom edge, ensuring that the 3 and 4 marks align. Start stitching at one end. When you get to the 3 and 4 marks, fold the tag double and add between the top edge and the bottom edge. Stitch until the end of the seam. Fold the side with the tag under the edge of the side panel and stitch. Stitch the other side as well. On the side where the open end of the zipper is, stitch the horizontal seam as well. There is no tag on this side. Fold the seam just worked under the edge of the side panel. Add the handle and ensure that the 5 and 6 marks of the handle align with the marks on the body. Stitch. Do the same for the other side. Now we get to the lining. Lay the pattern on the canvas or other waterproof material and affix with masking tape, ensuring that all edges and stitching holes are covered. Punch all the stitching holes and cut out on the outside line. Fold the corners of the lining so that the stitching holes align and stitch. Do for all 4 corners. The lining should form a square bucket with the stitching on the outside. Place the lining inside the Dopp kit. Time for the leather treatment as required by the leather used. Congratulations! You've finished your Dopp kit project.